a 4x4 to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1986 Chevrolet K10 Silverado, regular cab short box, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actually spent the majority of its life in California up until 2023, so this is a solid straight truck. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter 350, has paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 700 R4 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front. Chrome in the bumper, good condition, grille, bumper guards. As you can also see, little later model headlight has been installed with the LED lights. This truck has undergone a repaint along the way. Paint shows well on it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. As you can see, riding on a little later model steel Chevy wheel, beauty rings. BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs were installed in 2022, so not many miles on those at all. A lot of life left, plenty of tread. Let's take a look down the passenger side. I'll go through some other things that have recently been done to this truck, and there is also a folder of miscellaneous receipts that we'll send to the next owner of this vehicle. As you can see, solid above and around the wheel wells, the lower rockers. Note that the side glass is tinted, as well as the rear slider on it. So know your local and state laws with the percentage of window tint that you can have. As you can see, from the rear to the front on that passenger side, the bed is straight, paint shows well. Now, some of the things that have recently been done on this, mentioned the tires in 2022, also had an Edelbach 4-barrel installed on it, new rear brakes, does have a 2-inch lift, new window regulators, power windows, LED lights, front and rear, Bluetooth stereo is installed, as well as speakers, door panels, interior trim. The sound deadener was installed at that time also. New windshield and seal, speedo cables. I'm sure there's a few miscellaneous things I'm missing too. Take a look at the bed. Also in nice condition. Does not appear that this truck has been worked real hard. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Come around to the driver's side, and again, from rear to front, you can see nice and straight. If you're into square bodies, Chevrolet trucks in general, 4x4s, Silverados, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. And once again, you can see solid on this side, no corrosion on the lower rockers of the wheel wells. The paint has a nice shine to it. Interior looks great with the red combination on the white. And as you can see, power windows, power locks, door panels like new. Seating surfaces also. No rips, tears, or holes. Great truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, just to drive and have some fun. Tilt the column. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, battery gauge should move, oil pressure. Clock was not working, tech did mention that. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. See the fuel gauge came up. It does have a retro sound style stereo. Previous owner said he just always ran Bluetooth or auxiliary inputs. Again, heat blows hot, AC blows cold. HVAC system working. Top of the dash looks great. Interior of the truck looks as good as the exterior. Door closes nicely, and let's listen to this. Good sounding truck too. me go ahead and pop this hood. Let this thing warm up just a little bit. I want to pop the hood, check out the engine bay. And remember to stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to have Jason take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, so I got the hood popped. When it's popping the hood, this does have an electric choke, so it did come off high idle. Just want to let you listen to it on a little lower idle also. It is a nice sounding truck. Nice rumble coming out of that 5.7 350. Look from the side too, that thing's got a nice stance. No doubt about that. Sitting up there a little bit. Here it is. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. We're all good on the AC. Low and cold. Battery disconnect. We're in between drives. Has been converted. 134A. Get in, turn the key and go, have some fun. 1986 Chevrolet K10 Silverado. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking this truck for a drive, and we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1986 Chevrolet K10 pickup truck in white. Looking really good. This truck is... it's got that tight feel where everything just feels right. Nice throttle response from this truck. I'm noticing LEDs in the interior, the dome light and the blinker, which means someone gave some thought to that. There is a custom auto sound stereo in the dash that you can hook your device to, or Bluetooth. AC is blowing ice cold right now. Amazing conditioned interior, in my opinion. The seat, the bench seat, is in great shape. The dash pad looking good. Headliner appears like new. Our temperature gauge is about a quarter of the way up from cold. The clock is ticking, the quartz clock, which appears factory. The battery gauge showing 14 volts and the oil pressure about 35. This is an automatic on the column, so it is super easy to drive. Equipped with tilt, wipers work, smooth power brakes. This truck just at the right height, in my opinion, for a 4x4. Looking good. Corners nicely. It doesn't lean very much in the corners. Square body lovers, the era of truck that this is a really nice one. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.